name is Queenie van der Zandt and I'm an entertainer, an educator and a serenader. Now, as you can probably already tell, I don't have a special talent for making iMovie promo videos, which is why this one looks like it was made in 1993, but I do have a talent for belting. In fact, here is me belting in 1993. You're gonna love that oh, the 90s. But you are going to love my new workshop, How to Belt Like a Pro. So, what is belting? Well, basically it's what singers do when they sing very high notes loudly with passion, like this famous phrase from the musical Wicked. So in my workshop, I'm going to teach you some very simple exercises that I've gathered over the past 30 years of being a professional singer, working with great singers and musical directors, which are going to help you find and improve your belt voice. Everything I'm going to teach you in this workshop is healthy and safe, and then the actual exercises that I learned that allowed me to extend and really open up my belt range. I can also give you a couple of tips on hairstyles because I've had a couple of good ones in my time. So if you're finding that your voice isn't supporting you when you want to express those big feelings that go with belting a note, or if your voice is breaking, or it's shaky, or it hurts when you belt, and you want to learn how to healthily match your voice with your passion, then this would be a perfect workshop for you. Just bring your own beard. Just a piece of sky. So I invite you to join me. We're going to have a lot of fun because, hello, it's singing, not brain surgery. And let me help you find and improve your belt voice.